In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments on your Wix website, whether you're setting up an online store or a service-based site. Being able to accept credit card payments is crucial for capturing sales and expanding your business. Let's walk through how you can do just that with Wix. First, you'll want to head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you haven't registered, we'll need to quickly sign up. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your site's dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your website, from design and content to your e-commerce settings. Now, once you're in the dashboard, look for the section titled Getting Paid. This is typically found under the Finances or Commerce tabs, depending on your version or updates Wix might have made. This section is where you'll manage your payment settings, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with its options. Next, find and click on Connect and Setup. This is the area where we begin linking your site to the payment processing services Wix offers. The Connect and Setup feature walks you through what services are available and how each one connects to your website. Given the range of choices, pick the payment method that best suits your business and your customers' needs. After selecting Connect and Setup, you'll then hit Connect Payment Method. By doing this, Wix will show you a list of available payment providers. Common choices include Wix Payments, PayPal, Stripe, and other region-specific options. Each of these providers has their strengths like processing speed or international currency support, so choose one that fits your business model. Once you've selected your provider, click Connect. Here, you might be required to create an account with the payment provider, or if you already have one, log in to link your existing account. Be prepared to enter banking details and complete any necessary verification steps. It's important to handle this accurately to avoid any hiccups in receiving payments. With your initial payment method connected, you'll want to explore other options by clicking on See More Payment Options. Wix provides a variety of alternate methods, ensuring flexibility for you and your clientele. Adding additional payment modes can widen your customer base and cater to preferences such as wallets or regional payment methods. And that's it! With these steps completed, your Wix website is now set to accept credit card payments, opening up your business to more customers looking for an easy and secure checkout experience. Keep your payment settings updated and revisit them if you expand into new markets or discover different customer preferences. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling!